How to download the Gemini AI app. This tutorial shows you how to find and install the Gemini app on your Android device. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. Gemini is Google's AI assistant app and is available for free directly from the Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top and type in Gemini. Once the results load, look for the app listed as Gemini by Google. Make sure the developer name says Google LLC to confirm it's the official app and not a third-party imitation. Tap on it to open the app page and take a quick look at the ratings and download count to double-check you've got the right one. After that, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. The app is fairly lightweight, so it shouldn't take long depending on your connection. Once installed, tap Open to launch Gemini for the first time. From there, sign in with your Google account and follow the quick setup steps to get everything configured and ready to use. Keep in mind, on some Android devices, Gemini may already come pre-installed, as it has been replacing Google Assistant as the default AI assistant. If that's the case, you'll see an Update button instead of Install. Just tap that to make sure you're running the latest version. And that's it. If this guide helped you download the Gemini app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.